3:15 remaining. Here's Walker going to take a shot. Intercepted! Pass is picked off by Kenneth Brinson. An ill-advised throw by Walker. I don't think that play had much of a chance. Walker takes a snap. Four-man rush. Speed, pressure pass is picked off by John Reed. And Reed is still running with it. And now he finally does go down. And that will do it. Hicks dropping back on 36, being chased, loses the football. And it is going to be picked up by Roman Deloach. And Deloach scores! He picks up a loose ball and is able to run it in for a touchdown.
Clock is running. 6. He won't spike it. Under pressure to the end zone. Caught! Touchdown, Temple! Kirkwood with 1 second to go.
And it is going to be handoff. Armstead running with it right. Armstead off right tackle. Room to run. Armstead down the right sideline. He's in for a touchdown. Buckwell Armstead has scored yet again. Walker short drop out of the shotgun. Looking far down the sideline. Pass is caught by Adonis Jennings. Jennings goes into the end zone for a touchdown. Adonis Jennings. Another throw here out of the shotgun. Pass is caught to the end zone for a touchdown by Jahad Thomas.
Here's Thomas. He dots the I, and he crosses the end zone for a touchdown.
Man.
Jahad Thomas with his second touchdown. 9 games. Give to Armstead out of the I. 25. There he goes to the 10-5. Definitive touchdown for 12 Armstead.
This is the game. 4th down. Nobody home. Temple cannot pick up its 11th win for the first time in program history.